Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Are you a content creator, photographer, or video editor who spends hours looking for the right tools or quality tutorials? You scroll through blogs, YouTube, Reddit, and still don't know what the best for your workflow? What if you had one platform that brought all of that together and built just for editors? That's exactly why I created Editora, your ultimate creative companion. Whether you are starting out or deep into your creative journey, finding the right tool and content is a real pain. There are hundreds of editing apps and thousands of tutorials are there. The resources are out there, but they are scattered and often low quality. There is no single app to bring all of this together with quality and focus. That's the gap Editora fills. This is our Editora. At first we will go to software section. Here you will find a software which I have been using now oftenly by everyone, and here you can filter this by video editing and photo editing and mobile editing. Next is tutorial. Here you can filter the tutorial by 3 sections: transition and color grading and effect. And next you can specifically select the software which you want. If you want After Effects tutorial means you can select that specifically, like the Tailwind CSS, Premiere Pro and Final Cut, everything you can. Next is channel. These are the top creators who providing excellent tutorials and assets. And next is resources. Here you can download the softwares. If you click download, you will redirect to their official page. From there you can download. And the interactive guide that asks you a few questions and it will recommend the best tools for your budget and needs. If you can't find any tutorials after means, you can use the search bar. See, here now I am searching a color grading. And we are getting all the color grading tutorials. If you are unable to find your expectable tutorial means, you can find globally from here. And our Editora is built with React plus TypeScript for frontend and Tailwind CSS for responsive designs and Supabase for real-time database and user data. And our Editora is deployed on Netlify for a global speed. And I also added a progressive web app support so it works smoothly on mobile, just like an app. Editora is live and ready to explore. Whether you are a beginner or expert, this is your new creative home. Visit this domain and see how Editora makes editing easier, faster and more fun. Start your editing journey with Editora.